Hi, it's March 1st. It's been a month since we took a look at the house. So come and take a look at what has happened since we last did our tour. As you can see, we've got walls and we've got the beginning of a roof. We've also got these beautiful rafter tails you'll see as we go through the entry. So, come on in. Walking into the entry. We don't have the ceiling, but we've got the beginnings of a ceiling here coming through. I think we've got a few arches that we didn't have before, or we've got the structure of the arches. And look, they're doing wiring for electric. How exciting. In the office, arched windows are getting ready to be installed. How exciting. And walls and ceilings and everything's coming together. All right, now here we are, little closet. Still working on the closet, powder bath. Living room. We've got windows in the living room. We almost have sunset, but we're gonna have to save that for another month. Here we go. Kitchen. I know, it doesn't look like much, but we've got lighting coming in and vents coming in and more arches being structured. The ceiling, I think the last time you saw this area of the dining room, we had this opened and now it's closed off. You might hear a little squeaking here and there. We have some birds in here and they are trying to figure out how to get out. Or they're building nests. You figure it out. This is the pantry, still working on that, but it'll come into focus as time goes on. But let's go this way. Doors! We've got some French doors here. Maybe you'll see the outside of them one of these times, but we have doors installed. Exciting. Oh, primary bedroom. They don't have master bedrooms anymore. We've got windows in the primary bedroom and all this other hardware for something in here I'm learning as we go along. This is where the day bed goes. This is where the night bed goes. And onward into the primary bath. Lots of wood here. Looks like they're preparing to put a, I don't know, ceiling or, oh, we're gonna have beams and things like that in here. We don't need to go into details about this. It'll just become more and more beautiful as things go on. This is the tornado protection room, also known as the primary closet. Across the hall to the guest bedroom, a door going outside into the guest bedroom. There will actually be a window here when that gets installed. Then the guest bath, you know, what can you say about some of these things? It's just when you visit, there's gonna be a guest bath for you. A private bath. Back to our gallery walkway, hallway, more arches getting formed. There's more structure to them this time than there used to be. Here we go into the mudroom and the laundry room. Door to the garage. There will be cabinetry along here. Here's our broom closet and secretly known as the cat box room. Because yes, there will be a cat and a play area for the cats and a washer and a dryer. Can you vision this? Come on. More, onward we go. Now let's see if I can really get us into this area. These doors are not having handles yet. Oh, I made it. Come on in. This is the walkway. This is, to our right is the garage. And what you see in the garage is more cedar for other areas of the house and windows. Great big windows. So just walking along, here we go. Another window out, doors. This is the fitness room. We will have a roof on all of it when the time comes. Big windows. We decided that when the fitness room went away, that this would be the painting room where we would sit with our canvases and paint. Onward to the back. We're just about finished. There's a few more windows here, and there's going to be a door that goes into the barn here. So we're all connected. Voila. That is our new home as of March 1st, 2025.